Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Showing internet speed on Android device is quite easy. In fact, most manufacturers bundle it as a built-in feature. However, there is no such native option in Windows, and you will have to rely on third-party software only to add a net speed monitor. In this video, let us see how you can able to see the internet speed in the taskbar in Windows 10 operating system. Here we will be using a third-party software called NetSpeed Monitor to show internet speed in the taskbar. This tool will help you monitor your real upload and download speeds on your Windows computer. Now, while it works without any hitches on older version of Windows, but in Windows 10 users may find it somewhat tricky to install it and set up the software. In this video, I will show how to download this software and step-by-step guide through which you can able to show internet speed on the taskbar using NetSpeed Monitor. To start with, first download NetSpeed Monitor from the link given in the description also. The software is free to use and needs to be installed in compatibility mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Once it is downloaded, click the setup and install it normally. If you are on Windows 10, then you have to do right click on the setup, go to properties, then go for compatibility tab and tick the compatibility mode for previous version of Windows. Hit apply to save the changes. You can now double click the setup file to install the software normally on Windows 10. After you install the tool, right click on the Windows toolbar and select the toolbar from available options. Click on the NetSpeed Monitor to enable it. As you select it, your internet upload and download speed will automatically start showing in the taskbar at the bottom of the right corner. As it was in my case, it is likely that NetSpeed Monitor will be stuck at 0 and won't display any speed, even if you are connected to the internet. In that case, you can fix it as shown now. Right click on the NetSpeed Monitor meter at the toolbar, then select the configuration. Once the configuration window opens, click the network interface drop-down menu and select a different interface to see if the meter starts working or not. Here you may have different network adapters in your PC, but for which adapter your internet is connecting, whether it is a Wi-Fi connected or whether it is a wired connection, that you have to select. If it does not work, try selecting another interface also. So make sure that the monitoring is enabled. By default, NetSpeed Monitor shows speeds in KB per second, that is kilobits per second. You may change it to KB or MB, that is megabit per second also, or the bitrate of your choice through the given option. Also, you can turn on or turn off internet speed meter by double clicking the same in the toolbar. So in this way, you can able to see the upload speed and download speed. In this configuration also, you can select or you can name it as a upload or download. Instead of that, you can name it as up or down, like that. By default, it is U for upload, D for download. You can change it your wish. After this, the meter will show the upload and download speeds in the bitrate whatever you have selected. If you have selected the MB per second, then it will show MB per second. Let us browse some internet so that it will display at what speed we are browsing or at what speed we are downloading the things. So this is a quick guide that how you can able to show the internet upload and download speeds in the taskbar on your Windows 10 computer. We have also mentioned a quick for the NetSpeed Monitor for not showing issues. Do try it and let us know your experience in the comments below. Feel free to reach out in case of any related doubts or queries. I hope this video will be useful for you. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe and enable the notification for all for getting such technical information. Thank you.